Social media is a very large ocean with uncountable content, information and news. Today, internet has over 4.5 billion users and nearly 3.5 billion active users on social media. Every 6.4 seconds, a new account is created and people spend around 142 minutes every single day on social media. Facebook is the third most viewed website after Google and YouTube. Is that not enough to understand the power of it? So, what is the relevance of social media in today's world? You get attention of people, you are able to grow your presence, you are able to reach out to more and more people, you get recognized for your skills, you are able to provide massive value to the audience, and that is, I believe, the most important thing on social media that you need to do. Today, your social media presence is more important than your physical presence. How good a brand is dependent on how their social media profile looks. Always remember, on social media, you got to focus on what is there for your audience. You have to be audience centric. You need to create an audience centric content. Social media is your gateway to people. Social media is your gateway to opportunities. You never know how you may land your next opportunity just because someone is seeing your content on social media. So use it wisely. Thank you.